The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup might cheapen base Galaxy S23 with haptic feedback downgrade. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is expected to bring upgrades to several departments, from the processor to the camera setup. So the Galaxy S23 Ultra with TSMC manufactured chips will fix two things: performance and battery life. Not saying the Galaxy S22 Ultra has bad battery life, but compared to its iPhone counterpart, there's surely room for improvement. According to a tipster, one area that may see a downgrade is the vibration motor, that is the haptic feedback. Almost everything we think we know about the Galaxy S23 series right now is subject to change. Rumors and speculations are plenty, and sometimes they've been proven wrong. Keeping that in mind, one tipster now claims that Samsung will downgrade the vibration motor for the standard Galaxy S23. Without going further into details, which could mean a couple of things, it could mean that the Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will get even better haptic feedback than the 2022 models, while the Galaxy S23 won't, or it could mean that the Plus and Ultra models will get the same haptic feedback as the Galaxy S22 series, which got an upgraded vibration motor this year. Next up, for Galaxy S23 users globally, we've finally got confirmation that the Galaxy S23 series is going to come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and there's going to be no Exynos chip for the Galaxy S23. This was rumored very early on, and while many doubted it would be true, as we've heard it a lot of times in the past, Qualcomm CEO actually confirmed it in their Q4 financial report. We've got another benchmark leaked, and this time it's coming from the Galaxy S23 Plus, and it shows that some promising results. It's appeared on Geekbench 5 under the model number SMS916U. It scores 1485 for single core, then 4844 for multi. Now this is the US variant with 8GB of RAM. While it's showing impressive results already, these scores are no doubt going to be increased further as it gets more optimized in preparation for its launch. It could be the best in class once it hits the market. As to when that might happen, recent rumors indicate that the Samsung may host its next major Unpacked event in early February. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.